Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get TikTok back onto your phone. All these other methods that you see online, none of those methods actually work anymore. This is the only method that actually works flawlessly and is very fast, and you don't have to go through no VPN or changing addresses and all that mumbo jumbo. And whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. It works for both. Right now I'm on an Android, but if you're on an iPhone, just follow the steps exactly the same. It doesn't matter. So first, go to noxgpt.com, as you see on my page. That's noxgpt.com. And then once we're on here, all we're going to do is type in TikTok. Press enter. And then we're going to get a message from NoxGPT explaining the TikTok situation. And then it will explain us the steps to get TikTok downloaded back onto our phone. The steps are very, very short, and it comes with pictures with each step. So it's not anything complicated or hard at all. So I think all was written down now. All we have to do is press here. And as you can see, this is the latest version of TikTok. Just press start and then install. And then now it is loading TikTok onto our phone. Just have to wait a few minutes. It might make you do some CAPTCHA, but yeah, you just have to go through the CAPTCHA process, and then once you finish that, you can get TikTok right back onto your phone. This is the only method that actually works. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, leave a comment, subscribe, let us know what you think and how it worked out for you.